No, Leon, I'm going to have to special order one for you.
Double XL.
This is like the NFL draft, right? So give him up. Tell him, just real quick, tell him what you did, how'd you get the bill, whatever you did.
Well, I had a good friend of mine, and that's how this really works, is that he manages a big warehouse outside Chicago, and they had been there probably 4 months, tried to do a deal, but we had to wait till the bills came in, and he loved what we did and signed off on an electricity bill and got a year contract out of it. So
Just like
it was
that.
pretty easy, it's very simple, but it's the main thing is just, like I was talking to Leon, you gotta stay after it. Just stay on them. That's it. Keep reminding them. And when you just do that, it happens.
There you go. Good job.
Well, just to follow up with what he was saying, I've followed this company since March of 14th. This got put in my lap in August of last year, and more follow up, and then it just was a no-brainer. It was like, you're gonna pay me what? And so we ran into that, and one of the things I got really excited about is I'm chasing this deal down. I got 150 pages of builder. I'm like, how the heck?
Because it was
am I gonna
multiple
get this-
locations, right?
Yep. How am I gonna get this thing to where it needs to go? I meet Mike in the pitch dark, middle of the night, dropping it off at his house.
He called me up, said, hey, I got these bills. I'm like, bring them over.
Yep. So it made me feel good because it really let me know that this company's willing to do whatever it takes to get it done. So when you represent something like that, you win. So.
All right. Awesome. Give him a round of applause.